When it comes to fresh fruits, they often come to you at the peak of their season, offering unparalleled versatility compared to their frozen counterparts. While freezing may impact the texture of your fruit upon thawing, fresh fruit tends to retain its natural texture better. Additionally, refrigerating pre-cut fruit or fruit sliced at home can help reduce bacteria growth, ensuring your fruit stays fresh and safe to eat for longer. Depending on the fruit, some may retain more nutrients when frozen, while others are better enjoyed fresh. Nutrients in fruit are at their peak right after being picked. Luckily, freezing fruit quickly locks in its nutritional value, preserving its benefits for your enjoyment. The benefits of frozen fruits and vegetables are numerous. They're always in season, simplifying meal and snack prep. Plus, they offer pre-sliced and/or trimmed options, reducing your prep time and minimizing food waste. Furthermore, frozen fruits can add a delightful juiciness to baked goods and sauces, as the freezing process allows water to escape from the fruit's cell walls. And don't worry about losing nutrients. Freezing prevents the degradation of vitamin C, folate, and antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids. Another advantage of freezing is that it's one of the few preservation methods that doesn't involve altering the nutritional value of fruits and vegetables. Unlike canning, pickling, or drying, freezing retains the original nutrient profile of produce. So, while freezing may change the texture of your favorite fruits and veggies, it doesn't affect their flavor, freshness, or nutrient content. And there you have it, folks. What's your go-to choice when it comes to fruits and vegetables? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, whether you're reaching for fresh or frozen, keep enjoying those delicious fruits and veggies. Remember to comment, give thumbs up or subscribe. See you in the next video.